की जय। बोलो श्री बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण everyone. Welcome once more to our Ravivar Nitya Satsang. We invite everyone to join us in Mangala Acharan as we offer a few prayers to Bhagavan Shri Krishna this morning. Dheyam sada परिभवग्नमभीष्टदोहम् तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरण्यं भृत्यार्तिहं प्रणतपाल भवाब्धिपोतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दम् वंशी विभूषित कराळ नवनीरदाभा पीताम्बरा दरुणबिम्ब फलादरोष्टा पूर्णेन्दु सुन्दर मुखा दरविन्दनेत्रा कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। गौराङ्गं रसमयं नित्यं रसाचार्यं रसोत्सुकम् श्रीमद्रामहर्षण देवाख्यं सद्गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम्। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन। बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन. Please join with me in a bhajan. मनवाणी को पावन करने के लिए, before we listen to Srimad Bhagavad Katha this morning, let us purify our minds and our voices as we sing. कब मिले पिया मोरा गोविंद, कब मिले पिया मोरा। कब मिले पिया मोरा, कब मिले पिया मोरा गोविंद, कब मिले पिया मोरा। कब मिले पिया मोरा गोविंद, कब चरण कमल को हंसी हंसी देखूं, चरण कमल को हंसी हंसी देखूं, ओ चरण कमल को हंसी हंसी देखूं, राखूं नैना नेरा गोविंद, मिले पिया मोरा। कब मिले व्याकुल प्राण धरत नहीं धीरज,
व्याकुल प्राण धरत नहीं धीरज।
ओ व्याकुल प्राण धरत नहीं धीरज,
व्याकुल प्राण धरत नहीं धीरज।
मिल तू मीत सवेरा हो,
सवेरा
ओ गोविंद कब मिले या मोरा कब मिले पिया मोरा, गोविंद कब मिले पिया, ओ कब मिले पिया मोरा। बोल गोविंद भगवान की जय, बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। जय श्री राम एवरीवन, जय श्री कृष्णा। एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री कृष्णा।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
Now say it one more time like you just woke up. Jai Shri Krishna. Before we go into Katha this morning, हम सब की परम सौभाग्य, we were very fortunate this morning. विप्र ब्राह्मण देवता हमारे बीच में पधारे. We have two pandits who have blessed us with their presence this morning in our satsang. Pandit Satyananda Sukulji and Pandit Ram Haridwar Pandey. Let's give them a round of applause. After Katha, we will ask them to give us their Ashirwad. Very briefly from Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran Bandhuon. Last week we told you the Katha of Rishabh Bhagavan. How many of you remember Rishabh Bhagavan? The incarnation of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. He came onto Prithvi Lok to give us Sankhya Yoga. I explained to you last week very briefly the essence of Sankhya Yoga. Rishabh Bhagavan was married to the daughter of Indradev. As he was married to the daughter of Indradev, her name was Jayanti. Rishabh Bhagavan or Jayanti, they had 100 sons together. The eldest of those sons was called Bharat. Aaj Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran se will tell you the katha of this most powerful, divine and pure prince known as Raja Bharat. Bharatastu Mahabhagavato Yada Bhagavata Vanipattal Paripalanaya. Raja Bharat was a very impressive prince. His father is a partial avatar of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Rishabh Bhagavan, when he gave up this life and he went back to Vaikuntha Dham, he installed Bharat as the king of Prithvi Lok. Bharat was no ordinary king, Bandhu. Bhagavata Vanitala Paripalanaya. Raja Bharat was a very great devotee, Bhagavata. And he took this task of protecting the citizens of Prithvi Lok very seriously. He became such an impressive king. He was married to Panchajanim. He was married to the princess known as Panchajanim, and with her he had 5 sons: Sumati, Rashtrabrit, Sudarshan, Avarna or Dhumraketu. Raja Bharat was such a powerful king that Ajananabham Name Twadvarsham Bharatamiti Yad Arabhya Vyapadishanti. This subcontinent today that we call India, this subcontinent was called Ajanabha. That was the name of this part of the world. Raja Bharat, being the Chakravarti Samrat, because of him, Ajanabha started to be called Bharat Desh, the country of Bharat, because of this great king. Even today, many people say India, some people say Hindustan, but even today when we speak about Bharat Mata, we call her by the name of this great king, Raja Bharat. Bharat means that bhumi जो भार सहन कर सकती है, that most pure and prosperous land that can support this most heavy load. Bharat Mata is the परम कर्म भूमि of पृथ्वी लोक. एक संत, जब मैं काशी में था, एक संत ने कहा, if Bhagavan wants to give you the possibility of moksha in your next life, then you have to be born in Bharat Desh. Because this is the karma bhumi of Prithvi Lok. Karma works very quickly in Bharat. Very quickly you can get punya, and very quickly if you do the wrong things, paap bhi lag sakte hain. In Bharat, everything moves more quickly than the rest of Prithvi Lok. Raja Bharat, being such a powerful king, Vyas ji Bhagavan कहते हैं, ईर्जे च भगवन्तं यज्ञ क्रतु रूपम क्रतुभिरुच्छावचैः श्रद्धया हताग्नि अग्निहोत्र दशपूर्णम. Raja Bharat, being a most excellent king, he protected his country, he protected his people. He executed the kingly duties with great passion and great prominence. And in addition to that, he was a great devotee of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. He performed many, many yajnas. When you have rulers who are also devotees of God, so that kind of prosperity that comes in the country, that is a much more powerful and permanent prosperity. Countries that do not believe in God, when they get prosperity, तो फिर वो पैसा को भगवान बनाते हैं. Then they start worshipping money as if it is God. That is why dharma, artha, kama, moksha. भगवान ने कहा 4 फल मैं आपको दे देता हूँ, लेकिन क्रम से स्वीकार करो. I have given you in a specific order. सबसे पहले धर्म, उसके बाद अर्थ. Without dharma in front, wealth can be the instrument of your destruction. Wealth can be the instrument of a destruction of an entire country. That is why Raja Bharat, Vyas ji Bhagavan कहते हैं, यत तत्ते क्रया फलम धर्माख्यम परे ब्रह्मन यज्ञ पुरुषे. Performing regular havan. All of us here are in Grihastha ashram. गृहस्थियों के घर में एक महीना में कम से कम एक बार अग्निहोमम करना चाहिए. At least once a month you should have havan in the home of the Grihastha ashram. व्यास जी भगवान कहते धर्माख्यम परे ब्रह्मणि यज्ञ पुरुषे. Not only performance of yajna, but Raja Bharat was very learned as well, and he regularly gave vyakhyan. He regularly taught his citizens, he instructed his sons on what is the right way, how to live in this world. Sayajamano yajna bhajo devanstam vasudeve. Sa yajamano yajna bhajo. To do yajna, to be the yajman in a yajna karana, and to be a guest in a yajna. These 3 aspects of yajna should always be in our life. We should always try to become the yajman, we should always try to arrange a yajna, and we should visit the yajnas of others being done as well. Raja Bharat, he placed a great prominence on yajna during his time as Chakravarti Samrat of Prithvi Lok. Even today, whenever you hear somebody has a yajna going on, or maybe there is a yajna going on in another mandir, you feel excited, you want to go and see what arrangements have been made, kya vyavastha kiye hai, Vyas ji kya katha sunaenge. You have this natural excitement in you when it comes to yajna. Bhagavan Shri Ram left Ayodhya to go to a yajna. So yajna is a very important part of our parampara. Mahapurusha Rupo Palakshane Shri Vatsa Kaustubha Bhavanam Malidara Gadadhi Birupalakshite. Raja Bharat, living this most ideal example of how a king should behave. As he is performing these yajnas over and over and over, as he gets older, Bandhu, Raja Bharat, starts to feel this devotion appear in his heart for Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. This devotion, not always it comes at the very beginning stage of our life. Kumar Avastha mein, sometimes when we are young, we focus on different things, but by constantly going to satsang, जैसे राजा भरत को हुआ, इनकी हृदय में भक्ति प्रकट हुई. Devotion appeared in his heart, and he found himself being more and more attached to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu as he got older. Swatanayebhyo stitham pitri petamaham yatadayam vibhajya swayam sakalam. As he prayed more and more in his later life, yatra vacha bhagavan haridadyapi tatra dhyanam nija jananam vatsalyena sannidhapyat ichharupe. One by one, his different desires that dominated his life, one by one, sab samapta ho gaye. And in the later stage of his life, he focused only on Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. As he became older, Raja Bharat thought to himself, now I want to give up all of this sukh, sampatti, aishwarya, rajya, sab kuch tyagna chahta hu. Calling his 5 sons together, Raja Bharat divides his kingdom equally between the 5 of them. And then he tells them, my sons, Chakranadi or Gandaki. There is a river in Bharat called Chakranadi. Raja Bharat tells his sons, I am going to this river and I am going to build an ashram and spend the rest of my life in prayer to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Do not disturb me while I am there. Rule this kingdom as I have ruled this kingdom. Or Raja Bharat sannyasa lete hai. What more can you expect from the son of Rishabh Bhagavan, who gave the world Sankhya Yoga? Raja Bharat sets the most perfect example. When your father is a very knowledgeable person, jaise Rishabh Bhagavan the, you have to execute the teachings that he gives you in his life. You have to show him that this gyan that he was giving to you and giving the entire world, Raja Bharat makes Rishabh Bhagavan proud as he takes this most excellent step. We cannot even give up something very small. You have a little house, you have a little car, you can't give it up. You have some money saved in your bank account, you can't bear to give it away to someone. You have to make sure everything is secure. Such attachment we have to small things. Raja Bharat Chakravarti Samrat, he was the emperor of the entire Bharat Desh, and in one moment he gave up everything, only because Kabhu mile priya mora. Unko Govind se milna tha. He wanted to meet Bhagavan Shri Krishna. When you are going to meet a very rich and powerful person, you don't try to impress them with money. Hamare Govind Bhagavan Shri Vishnu Lakshmipati Narayan, he is the one who resides in the golden lok of Vaikuntha Dham, the master of Mata Lakshmi. You think you'll be impressed by your wealth, by your status, by your fame, by your kingdom? Raja Bharat says, hey Govinda, mujhe aapse milna hai. Milne se pehle main sab kuch tyag deta hu. Before meeting you, I give up all of these small attachments. When Raja Bharat starts to live in this ashram, he feels so happy. Anand hi anand ho gaya. Now he is focused only on praying to Bhagavan, only on reading and listening to his katha. He engages with the saints and sages in the forest, and he starts to live a very different life. Every day he sings and dances for Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Ab main nacho bahut gopala, ab main
नाचो बहुत गोपाल,
oh ab main nacho bahut gopala, ab main nacho bahut gopala. काम क्रोध को पहर छोड़ लेना, काम क्रोध को राजा भरत कहते हैं, भगवान, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, अहंकार, आसक्ति, all of these things I have given up and I live now only to worship you, भगवान। काम क्रोध को पहरी छोड़ लेना, काम क्रोध को पहरी छोड़ लेना, कंठ विषय की माला, कंठ विषय की माला, अब मैं नाचू बहुत गोपाल, अब मैं नाचू बहुत, ओ अब मैं, ओ अब मैं नाचू बहुत गोपाल। कंठ विषय की माला, हाथ में माला लेकर के भज गोविंद, भज गोविंद। Raja Bharat, in this last stage of his life, he chants the name of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. I don't want anybody to feel bad, but many of you come to Mandir, you look like you're in the last stage of your life. You're senior citizens, you're in the final stage of life. Final stage doesn't mean 1 year, maybe you have 20 years left. Don't feel bad. But are you focusing on puja? Are you focusing on katha? Are you focusing on Hari Kirtan, Hari Smaran in this final stage of your life? Or are you still living like you used to live 20 years ago, 40 years ago? The world has changed so much. How much have you changed? Learn from Raja Bharat, the greatest emperor in this world. Even today we call India Bharata Mata only because of him. And he gave up everything to go and live in sannyas, to focus on Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Every morning, I will leave with you one shlok from Srimad Bhagavad Puran before we conclude this morning. Every morning when he wakes up, Raja Bharat, he will offer Surya Dhar, Surya Argyam. How many of you offered Dhar to Bhagavan Surya this morning? Raise your hands, don't feel shy. Maybe about 5, 6, 10 of you. But it is so easy to do. All you have to do is facing the eastern direction, facing Bhagavan Surya. Get a small lota, fill it with water, and facing Bhagavan, offer this water to him. If you have a garden, if you have your backyard, you can do it outside. If you have to stay inside, then place a thali below and offer the water. Let it fall in that thali and you can put it outside later on. Every morning offering jal to Bhagavan Surya, this is part of your dharma as a Hindu. ये आपका कर्तव्य है, आपको करना चाहिए. Raja Bharat, when he offers this Surya Dhar to Bhagavan in the morning, he prays to him, Hey Bhaskar Bhagavan. Paro raja saviturjat vedo devasya bhargo manasedam jajana suret sada पुनराविश्य चष्टे हम समगृध्राणम नृषद्रिंगिरामिम. This mantra is very difficult, but we give you so many prayers. When we offer prayers to Bhagavan Surya this morning, Yad Mandalam Devaganai Supujitam Viprai Stutam Bhavan Mukti Kovidam Tam Deva Devam. Hey Bhagavan Surya, you are the Lord of all of the Navagrahas. Tam Deva Devam Pranamami Suryam Punatu Mam Tatsavitur Varenyam. Tatsavitur Varenyam. Hey Bhagavan, we worship you again and again. As Raja Bharat lives this most perfect example of sannyas ashram, focusing only on Bhagavan Shri Hari Kirtan, Hari Smaran. Next week Sunday, I will tell you further in the Leela of Raja Bharat what will happen to him as Bhagavan tests him and gives us a very important lesson. बोलो सच्चिदानंद भगवान की बोलो भरत राजा की जय। बोलो भारत माता की जय। कथा को विश्राम देने के लिए join with me in one more bhajan as we conclude this morning. हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, सब दुख तेरे। सुमिरन कर ले सांझ सवेरे, सुमिरन कर ले सांझ सवेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, सब दुख तेरे। हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे। हरि बोल
श्री राधे।
बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की
जय हो।
जल में थल में नील गगन में, कन कन में है प्रभु की छाया रे भाई। जल में थल में
नील गगन में, कन कन में है प्रभु की छाया रे।
जिसने मन की आंखें खोली, उसने उसका दर्शन पाया रे।
उसने मन की आँखें खोली, उसका दर्शन पाया रे।
जो नर हरि की माला फेरे, जो नर हरि की माला फेरे, छूटे जन्म जन्म के फेरे, जन्म के फेरे। हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे। सुमिरन कर ले सांझ सवेरे, सुमिरन कर ले
सांझ सवेरे,
मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे। ओ राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे,
राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे,
ओ राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे,
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 ओ राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे,
राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे,
ओ राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे,
राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे,
ओ राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल गोपाल कृष्ण हरे। बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की
जय।
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद भगवान की
जय।
ओ राधा रमन लाल की जय। Today our Yajman is especially blessed. Let's give a round of applause to Ranisha for celebrating her 18th birthday. She has come with her entire family today to offer prayers to Bhagavan, and we're very happy to see her choosing to celebrate her birthday in that way. And she is especially blessed because we have these two unexpected Brahmin visitors, these two Pandits who are visiting us today. Pandit Satyanand Sakul and Pandit Ram Haridwar Pandey. So we will ask both